With FanMachine 2, you can generate real fans on complete autopilot for up to 3 different fan pages at the same time. But before we go any further, I just want to show you how insanely effective FanMachine 2 has been for the 2 example fan pages I've already created. So I created 2 brand new fan pages. One was healthy vegan recipes, which you can see a screenshot of here. So it's a brand new page. And I also created another fan page, another brand new fan page called iPhone 7 Rumors, which we can see here. It's a brand new page, and both of these pages were completely brand new, so they had 0 likes. You can see here 0 likes for healthy vegan recipes, and we can see here 0 likes for iPhone 7. And I then ran FanMachine 2. I'll show you exactly how it all works in a sec, but I ran it for 1 week, and here are the results. So here we are 7 days later, 1 week after creating our fan pages, and you can see that in 7 days on this healthy vegan recipes page we've gone to 562 likes, and on our other page, our iPhone Rumors page, we have gone to 553 likes. So within 1 week we have generated over 1,000 real likes. And it's not just the amount of likes we're generating, it's the quality. So if we have a look down here, we can see that our fans are hyper engaged with these pages. You can see that these posts, they're getting dozens of likes. So this post I just did has got, well, it's got 27 different likes, it's got shares, it's got 13 different, well, 15, 16 different comments. This one, again, 20 different likes, 2 shares, loads of different comments, and all these posts are just like this. Loads of likes, shares, comments. Again, all the way down, just hyper engagement from our fans. And remember, I haven't paid for any of these fans. I've not done any Facebook ads, I haven't done any of the promote your posts. This is all 100% automated, 100% free fans. Take a look here at the insights page for the iPhone 7 fan page. You can see here the post reach over 1,000 organic, 0 paid. Again, 100% organic, 0 paid. 100% organic, 0 paid. 100% organic, 0 paid. We're getting our message reaching all of these fans for free. I haven't paid for any of these likes whatsoever. How does all this work? Well, let's dive back into the plugin and I'll show you. So when you set up your new fan page campaign, so let's have a look at the iPhone 7 Rumors one. When you set it up, you choose which page you want to promote. So in this case, I've got all my different Facebook fan pages here, and I've chose iPhone 7 Rumors. So I'm going to start generating fans for this one. I just choose 3 different keywords here related to my page. So I've chose Apple, iPhone, and iMac. And then once you have chosen your keywords, you get a load of different pages back. These are different fan pages related to your chosen keywords. So what it does is that it finds posts on these pages, and it then posts comments as your fan page, so it gets exposure on these popular fan pages for your fan page. So let's have a look at an example of this. So if we go to the comment log here, and then we look at this post here, we can see that our iPhone 7 Rumors page has made a post here saying who else really loves Apple. So that's getting exposure for my iPhone 7 page on this fan page here. And you can scroll down here and there's dozens of other examples. So you can see or if we scroll down a bit and take a look here, we can see another example. So again, with iPhone 7 Rumors has done a post on this iPhone lovers page here, and it's made a post saying I love Apple, but it hasn't just done a comment. You can see it's also liked the page. So for iPhone 7 Rumors here is liked the page. And it has also, if we scroll down, you can see it's liked some of the other comments. So you can see here, we've liked this guy's comment, and it has even posted a reply. So if we scroll down here, we can find another example of this. So you can see here, it's also liked this guy's comment, and it has also posted a reply to him. So what FanMachine 2 is doing is that 24/7, every single day, it is going onto popular fan pages related to your keywords, and it is liking posts, it's commenting posts, and it is engaging with fans on those fan pages. It's liking their comments, it's posting comments in reply to them. So this is just giving you massive exposure for your fan page and generating those real fans. How exactly is it posting all these comments? Well, it works as follows. So if we go to the comments page here, you can see we've got a list of Spintax comments, and these are already pre-done for you. You get a bunch of them here, and every time the plugin finds a post to comment on, it will choose a comment at random, and it will then post it as you saw before in the comment log. And we've also got obviously Spintax guide here, so if you don't know how to use Spintax, you can find out just by clicking this